2025, the year of transformation through habits. What if 2025 could be the year everything changes? The year you stop holding back, stop making excuses, and finally step into the life you've always imagined. It's easy to think that transformation comes from big, bold moves. But the truth, it's the small, consistent actions, the habits, that make all the difference. These habits might seem simple, but over time, they build the foundation for something extraordinary. The kind of year that doesn't just feel good, but leaves a lasting impact. Most people enter the new year with resolutions, grand declarations of change, but resolutions without habits are like dreams without action. They fade, they break, they disappoint. Imagine starting this year with more than just hope. Imagine starting it with habits that guide you, habits that strengthen you, habits that lead you. Because habits aren't just what you do, they're who you become. But let's be honest, building habits isn't glamorous. It's not about instant gratification or overnight results. It's about commitment. It's about doing the work when it's hard, when it's boring, when no one else is watching. Imagine waking up every day with a clear sense of purpose, knowing that every small action you take is a step toward your bigger vision. That's the power of habits. And here's the truth. Habits don't just shape your year. They shape you. The way you think, the way you act, the way you handle challenges, it all comes back to the patterns you've built into your life. Imagine what 2025 could look like if you let go of the habits that hold you back and embrace the ones that propel you forward. The ones that make you stronger, clearer, more focused. The ones that remind you of who you're becoming. But let's not sugarcoat it. Creating new habits takes effort. It takes discipline. And sometimes it takes failing and starting again. But every time you try, every time you choose to keep going, you're proving something to yourself, that you're capable, that you're resilient, that you're worth it. Imagine looking back at the end of this year and seeing not just what you've accomplished, but who you've become in the process. And the beauty of habits, they compound. One small action, repeated daily, can lead to extraordinary results over time. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up consistently. It's about the moments when you choose progress over perfection, effort over excuses, growth over comfort. Those moments, they're what make the difference between another average year and the best year of your life. So, as you step into 2025, ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be? What kind of life do I want to create? And what habits will help me get there? This isn't just another year, it's your year. A year to build, to grow, to thrive. A year to let your habits work for you, not against you. Because the life you want isn't as far away as you think. It's built one habit, one action, one day at a time. This year, don't just wish for change. Create it, commit to it, live it. Because 2025 has the potential to be your best year yet, and with the right habits, it will be. Now's the time to begin.